Hello viewers, and welcome back to my channel. Um, this is an update on the golden zucchini that I'm growing the Kratky methods, and I ended up going from a 1-gallon milk jug to a 3-gallon Rubbermaid container. And the reason why I switched to the 3-gallon Rubbermaid container is that the zucchini was drinking the nutrients pretty quickly, and I'd say every 2 to 3 days I had to give it more nutrient solution. So I decided to put it in a 3-gallon Rubbermaid container to see how long it will take me to have to put more nutrient solution in. And today is day 1. I pretty much this morning mixed up the nutrients, put it in the container, and then transferred the golden zucchini in there. And what I'll do is I'll come back with an update in about, I would say, 7 days. Today is the 21st of September, and as you can see, this golden zucchini has been growing. I have it under a LED light. It's 45 watts, and basically I'm going to see how this grow goes. So I'll come back in about 7 days and we'll see how it's producing. It's really growing very well, and I'm pretty satisfied with this Kratky style growing. So until 7 days from now, blessings to everyone, and thanks for coming to my channel. If you're not subscribed, subscribe and then hit the bell to be notified for future updates on this golden zucchini. Have a great day. Blessings.